It's a fear. Number 2, anger. What is number 3? Food. Right? How food impacted? Food is not directly impacted. If people are saying that, eat egg, eat carrot, eat greens, then we shouldn't be having any glasses by this time, right? We produce so much. It is available in the market. It is also available in the refrigerator. It is also we are eating. But why still having like people every day? The number of people who uses the glasses are increasing. Just because? Not that organism. That is all. See, that is all matters. But on top of all those things, gut cleaning, your intestine cleaning. Colon is occupied. You know what is colon, right? Small intestine, large intestine, and colon. Colon is the one which holds your toilet, which is the key. How? We are going to see all those 3 things first. And then we'll see how we can rectify that with simple techniques. To start with simple technique, it is always simple